And that is a modded Xbox 360 for less than $30. It's all murdered out on the front. There's a strip LEDs down here, strip LEDs up here, and then inside the fan shroud there's LEDs in there, and that's how we get the bright red glow from the fans. Got the cutout of the disk drive so that way you can see the disk spin. When you eject the disk, you can see all the internals. See the disk drive move, see everything drop down. The whole thing takes a few hours to do. The longest part of the process is getting the paint to dry, like I said in the blog post. But yeah, thanks for checking out my modded Xbox 360. You can go to guarddogtechrepair.com for more details. Thanks.